So I'm walking through Istanbul right now and you can hear this bird in the background. But then I look over across the street. What's the name? What do you call?
Bird sound.
Bird sound. I'm gonna try this now.
Make it wet.
Make it wet?
Yeah. Relax. Yeah. Yes.
The man is a hustler too.
Wait. No. Hey. No. Back.
Okay, lighthead.
No.
That is so cool, dude.
Gift. No money. Okay.
He hand makes these, by the way.
After cat. Meow.
After cat meow. He wants tea. Now me and the Birdman, we're having tea together. There we go. Only in Turkey.